Okay, here we are back on the job site. Yeah, Mike is waving hi. All right, here we go. Footers are all in, and today is the first day of spring. So March 21, beautiful day, 80-something degrees. This has never happened before. Footers are in, pads are in for support, rebar sticking up, and they started around the corner to the down to the back of the picture here and around to the right. They started putting in the walls. So they are doing great and real exciting. And Micah says hi too.
Bye.
Bye.